A blinking blue light on your Rogers Ignite modem, such as the XB6, XB7, or XB8 models, typically indicates that WPS mode is active. This means the modem is attempting to connect a device wirelessly without requiring a password. To immediately address this, first cancel WPS mode. Press and hold the WPS button on your modem for 3 to 5 seconds. Alternatively, open the My Rogers app on your smartphone or tablet and toggle WPS off. If the light continues blinking, reboot your modem. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Give the modem a few minutes to fully reconnect to the network. Once the modem is back online, check if the blue light is solid. If it is, the issue is resolved. If the blue light continues to blink after the initial steps, there may be other underlying issues. Outdated modem firmware is a common cause. Use the My Rogers app to check for and install any available updates. Another potential issue is interference from other devices like microwaves or cordless phones. Try moving your modem away from these devices. For more advanced troubleshooting, consider a factory reset. Use a pin and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will return the modem to its default settings, so you'll need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi network. Finally, for security, it is recommended to disable WPS after its use because it is vulnerable to brute force attacks. If the problem persists, contact Rogers support for assistance. They can remotely diagnose the issue and provide further guidance or schedule a technician visit.